Welcome to Star Aspect Designs. Another week, another design. This week we are going through a 3-bedroom bungalow. The style is a modern, and as you can see, it has an exposed roof, and the interior rooms actually take the profile of that roof. The other section of the house is a concealed sloping roof that has an appearance of a flat roof on the outside. Now that mixed profile roof is what gives it this modern appearance. The material palette, of course, you know the golden ratio, rule of 3. We have natural stone, and of course now the different shades of plaster. At the backyard, you have a pergola that has access to the yard that you can use for anything really, and it has two different accesses. So you have an access from the family room, an access from the dining room, and then you have the main entrance that also has an access to the front yard. As you can see right here, we have the garage also that is covered and also is part of the structure of the house. So right there you have the entrance. This is the main entrance. That also has a sitting area, like a small veranda of sorts. So when you go to the model itself, that is what you see at the entrance. You have the main door, and then you have a small sitting area out here. When you get into the house, of course, the first area here is the entry lobby, where you have a cabinet space and a foyer where you can hang your coats, leave your shoes, anything really. And then from there, you can access this main living room. So if we look at the house in totality, before we get into the rooms, that is what you see. So you enter there. That is the entry foyer. You go down 2 steps into the main living room. When you proceed down that corridor, you also have a family room. That means that if you have guests, the other members of the household can actually sit here and watch whatever they want to watch. And then as you proceed down, you also have your dining space. So that dining space has access to the backyard, as I was talking about earlier. From this corridor, you also access the 2 bedrooms. So you have bedroom number 1, bedroom number 2, with the common facilities. And then you have the kitchen there and the master bedroom. So that is the plan in totality. So let's move into the individual spaces. So from the foyer, that is the main living space. You can see you have your fireplace there. You have display shelves there, and then you can mount your TV on that particular surface. So that is what you have for your living space. And then from there, when you go to these other rooms, you have bedroom number 1 here. And one feature of this bedroom that is very attractive to anyone who likes natural light, anyone who likes sitting by a window, is this corner seating. The corner seating has a corner window and also shelves for display. Then you have this common bathroom and toilet. So I decided to separate the bathroom and toilet because in a house where you don't have a cloakroom, I feel like it's prudent that you separate, because if someone is showering, then another member of the household can have access to the washroom facilities. And also guests don't have to go into a bathroom that has a toilet, and a shower cabin. So that's why I found it prudent to separate the two. The toilet has this particular layout with, of course, a concealed cistern and then some cabinet space. As I stated in my earlier videos, it's always prudent to have a sink within the toilet. Then you go to the bathroom. Where you have your shower cabin, and then you also have a sink within the bathroom. Now this is the sink for like if you want to do like general hygiene without getting into the shower, washing your face, brushing your teeth. That is why it's also necessary to have a wash hand basin within the bathroom. From there, you have your second bedroom right here that can occupy 2 4x6 beds. Then from there, you have this corridor here that leads to one of the areas of the house, which is the kitchen. So in the kitchen, that is what you see. You have an open kitchen with a fridge section there, microwave and oven, and then you have your induction cooker there with a pot filler. Of course, as I stated, this is a modern house. And then you have your sink right there, and of course a kitchen island. So this kitchen island, you can actually sit there and have your breakfast or have your stories while someone is cooking. That's why I find that an open kitchen is quite appealing, because you don't have to feel like you're enclosed in there all by yourself, slaving away. Then this particular section here is the coffee section, because as you saw, the other area is quite tight. So you have the coffee section here where anyone can come in and serve their own breakfast. And then, as I stated, This house does not have like a designated cloakroom, so also the hand wash area is not available outside of the toilet. So I put that wash hand area here near the dining space so that it's easily accessible from the kitchen and also from the dining area. So that is what you see. That is the dining area there. That has an access to the backyard with a small terrace right there. And then as you can see, is this straight from the entrance. That is your view. And then right here you also have a family room. It's not really an enclosed room. Whereas, as I was stating earlier, if you have guests, the rest of the family members can chill right here. And it also has access to the backyard from right there. Then off that space, you now access the master bedroom. So you can see you have a vestibule there that actually offers a lot of privacy for this master bedroom. It means that when you open the door, you can see inside the bedroom itself, the main space. Now that is the bathroom where you have your wash hand basin, your toilet, and your shower cabin. Then this is the main space. You have your 6x6 bed right there, a small working space, and plenty of wardrobe space. And this middle section here, you can actually put a TV if you're a TV person, or have your dresser right there. And of course, also in this bedroom, as I stated, the corner window, very important, with corner seating, where you can actually use to chill and read a book or anything you want to do there, really. And then you have your display area here for your books or your small trinkets, really whatever suits your fancy. Now off the kitchen, you have your laundry area here, of course with a washing machine, and then some ironing space and storage space. And then you have your pantry at the back there. And then from the kitchen, you can step out into the backyard. Now at the backyard, of course, you have the external Dobby sink, which is very important for like washing shoes, carpets, anything really. And then as usual, as I normally state, gas cage outside for safety reasons. That's it right there. So when you move around the house, that is the kitchen yard, and then this is the backyard where you access from the dining room. And then this is also an extension of that backyard with an access from the family room. And then right here you have the access into the garage section. So from the garage, you can actually enter from the back to the family room, or you can enter from the front in this section to the main entrance. So that's it for today. If you like this particular layout, please like, share, subscribe. And I can't thank you enough for being part of my community. And as always, live large.